spike strip, canine, and drone lead to an arrest.
Here it comes, coming to you, it's coming to you. Got it, got it, got it.
White shirt and a blue shirt. Hands are coming up, hands are coming up.
Oh boy. Oh boy, good search. Oh boy.
All right, Volusia County Sheriff's Office. All right, what goes into coordinating an arrest like this? I mean, you got the chopper in the sky, you got the spike strips, all this is happening. Donald Schweitzer, let me start with you.
Well, Vinny, the best thing that coordinates officers like this is a lot of training and a lot of experience. What you see in cases like this is that all the officers know their role. They know not to overstep their role. For example, the guy who's in the lead isn't going to be passed up by another car. And everybody's going to allow the canine officers to get in when the time is necessary. So there's a lot of coordination based mostly on experience, because you really can't replicate this in a police academy setting. But in this place, which seems like it's kind of rural, it's very impressive how they all came together and were able to capture these people who bailed out in a very unfortunate area for them. Now, the last thing I would say about this is you notice that the officers were very calm when they were doing their work, particularly the guy who announced that there was a bailout, and the guy who's looking at the evidence. They were very calm, and it shows that they had a lot of experience, and that's the reason why you see these guys so coordinated.